When the apnea guard is fitted, the neutral and maximum jaw positions are used to determine the optimal or 70% setting. These three measurements are written on the apnea guard handle for a reference. The apnea guard is adjusted by affixing the lock pointed to the left for odd-numbered settings and to the right for even number settings. Begin by removing the lock cover. Slip your index finger under the lock and pull up. To advance the setting 1 millimeter, rotate the lock so that the arrow points to the opposite direction. The arrow on the lock should now be facing the opposite side. When adjusting to the setting 13 to the left and fully readable, setting 14 to the right is partially covered and not fully readable. Press firmly to hold the upper and lower tray in that position. Now align the locking pins with the two holes in the upper tray. The pins fit into the holes to the right, with the arrows on the lock pointing left for odd number settings. For even number settings, they'll fit into the holes to the left with the arrow pointing to the right. Press down on the lock until the pins snap into place. Slide the blue lock cover over the handle to prevent the lock from disengaging. You've now advanced your apnea guard 1 millimeter to the optimal setting.